One thing I didn't expect in Thailand was the number of homeless people on the streets of Thailand. If you're a foreigner, the only job you can find in Thailand is teaching job, which doesn't pay much. I can tell you that if you want a country to visit, then Thailand is the best bet for you. But Thailand, there's absolute freedom.
Scan the call to join our WhatsApp community.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share my raw, honest first impressions of Thailand. The things that surprised me, the things that I loved, and even some of the things I never expected at all. I least expected. Guys, if today is your first time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. My very first experience with the Thailand immigration, I think, was excellent. The Thailand immigration was so professional, and honestly I should tell you that traveling across Asia, a professional immigration like that of the Thailand immigration, they were so smooth, no racial profiling, no certain kind of looks, and everyone was treated professionally by the book as it's supposed to be. No unnecessary questions, and the right people did the right things. Like some places where you have the security checking your passport, the cleaners checking your passport, everybody just want to check your passport. Thailand was never like that. That they had an LGBTQ plus in front of the immigration desk telling you that these guys, they accept everybody from every place, everywhere. Once you qualify and you get their visa, they treat you professionally. And that was my number one spot of Thailand. Thai immigration are the best in Asia so far. They were so professional, they were so precise and on point. They just went straight to business. So on arriving here, the first thing to do is you check out one odd thing I found was they are still taking yellow fever cards at this time, but I told them I didn't have it because I've not used it in about so many days, and they were cool. Okay, they gave me the card and I went, we checked, and they still take your thumbprints, right? They take your thumbprints and check your return tickets, your e-visa, and you are good to go. Very professional. The immigration from Thailand are so far the professional people I've worked with. Now, stepping out into Thailand felt like stepping out into a completely different world, which was energetic, fun, and full of colors. The moment I stepped out of the airplane, the heat and the humidity hit me like a wall. But weirdly enough, the heat fuels the energy of the country. The place is busy all throughout, from morning till the next day. The country, Thailand, never goes to sleep. Thailand gives tourists absolute freedom to roam, to explore the country and the city, to do whatever they like, not breaking the law. But Thailand, there's absolute freedom. No wonder I saw a number of people from different kinds of country, from Ghana, Canada, America, and whatever, Australia, all visiting Thailand, because the people give you absolute peace of mind. And the police in Thailand are very respectful. These guys are patrolling the country 24/7. They are in the markets, the streets, Kusan Street, but they don't just interrupt people. I mean, they are professional, announcing their presence, thereby asking people to do the right things. And you can do whatever you like. You can visit the beaches, you can smoke cigarettes, you can smoke cannabis. Just do it at the right time, at the right place, and you don't have a problem with anybody, absolutely, in Thailand. Now, one thing I experienced is that in Thailand I was able to fly a drone. Thailand was the first country that allowed me fly my drone. In Cambodia, I wasn't allowed to fly my drone. In Malaysia, I wasn't allowed to fly my drone. But in Thailand, I was allowed to fly my drone in the market center. And nobody really came asking questions and that kind of thing. So I can tell you that if you want a country to visit, then Thailand is the best bet for you. Absolute freedom, and the people are lovely and friendly, and things are so cheap in Thailand. And one thing that makes Thailand the absolute choice is the legalization of cannabis. I mean, people can smoke cannabis, cigarettes. In fact, there are a whole cafes dedicated for the smoking of cannabis in Thailand. And you are free to roam and do whatever you like in Thailand. Smoke if you are that type. So welcome to Thailand. So here, cannabis is sold on the streets. You can get, cannabis. So I'm going to show you something. So this is my hostel, OH hostel, and just opposite my hostel is a cannabis shop. So we can buy any of these edibles, and this is buy two get one free. One thing I didn't expect in Thailand was the number of homeless people on the streets of Thailand. When you get to Koh San Street, now before you get to Koh San, that stretch of the road, in the evening, there were a number of homeless people. At first, I thought there were people just sleeping because of the hot air. I mean, my friend told me, no, it's not, it wasn't like that. I mean, we went, a very long stretch, and there were people sleeping all along the roadside. And these people included foreigners and the locals, the local Thai people. And I was really surprised for a country like that to, allow people to sleeping on the road. I was really shocked and surprised to see that, because honestly, it was my first time seeing that, people sleeping on the roadside like that. So that is one thing I least expected, but I also saw in Thailand.
Many homeless people just living in
so
the
many
streets.
homeless people.
Yes.
How do they live in Bangkok?
I don't know, but maybe it's so warm you can always sleep outside, so...
Are you not sure they are outside because the weather is warm? It's very hot?
No, they're definitely homeless.
Oh, okay. I'm yet to see one.
There was one on the ground, but you can see many more.
Okay. So guys, this is the street view of Bangkok, Thailand. I will get you the name of the street specifically, but this is Thailand. Bangkok,
Soy Road.
Yeah, you're right. So that's one. Yeah. People. So anytime you ride, like you said, yeah, there are streetless people on the streets. Yeah, you can see the king's picture.
Yes. Yeah, never disrespect the royal family here.
You can't do that.
You can get jail time.
You can't do that. Street food in Thailand is absolutely crazy and insane. In fact, I saw things that I would never have believed if somebody told me. People eating scorpions in Thailand, snakes, roasted frog, just everything and anything was eaten in Thailand, and they call this exotic food. You get to the street and they are all over, and foreigners are trying this, and the indigents are eating this. And I was like, really? In my country, spider is not just regarded as poisonous, it is spiritually bad and seen as a bad omen. You can't just go close to spider, talk of eating it. But in Thailand, I saw a number of people eating spider.
Let's do this right.
Scan the code to join our WhatsApp community now.
But that's one thing that also shocked me about Thailand. Now, one thing I found mind-boggling is the nightlife in Thailand. In Thailand, people party all night long, from evening till the next day, till mama calls. In Thailand, I really understood the real experience of till mama calls. When you move to the Koh San Street, people don't sleep. And I think it is dependent on how much money you have, how much money you have to spend. It is party after party after party, and the street is active. People are selling, people are buying, and you can literally buy anything if you have the money in Thailand. And that was one thing that mesmerized me in Thailand, and I felt it was a great experience. In fact, I'm already considering going back to Thailand again just to enjoy streets or nightlife in Thailand. Now, the next question that I found people asking me when I posted on Facebook was that, can you find job as a black person in Thailand? And the question is absolutely no. There are no job for foreigners, whether black or fair or white or yellow or whatever. In fact, the Thai people themselves are struggling to find jobs. Most of them do buy and sell. And so if you're a foreigner, the only job you can find in Thailand is teaching job, which doesn't pay much as Vietnam or China or other countries may pay. So if you are black and you are considering going to Thailand to work, I can say Thailand is not a place that you can hustle, just like you can travel to Europe, America, and say that you are going to hustle. Thailand is not like that. My final thought about Thailand, that I think that Thailand is a beautiful, chaotic, friendly, and full of surprises that you can visit. And no wonder it is the biggest, or it is the most visited Asian country in 2024. It will continue to be, considering the freedom that tourists have in Thailand. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Kenyan. It's a wrap for today.